Hello, welcome back to my tier list. Yeah, this time let's gonna tier up, ranking all of Enchanted Mob's animations so far. Yeah, Enchanted Mob, if you don't know, Enchanted Mob is a Minecraft animator, or now as, I think a layout artist now? He didn't animated his animations now. I think Zamination animated for him now. Since both of them are really better than in Seth, but I still respect his work. I mean, without Seth, Zam Zam didn't do. I mean, tell me. Okay, I'll just shut up now. So, yeah, let's rank for the first one. Let's start from the very beginning. Survive the night. So yeah, this animation is 5 years old now. So yeah, if you know what I mean, this is one of the first music video that Enchanted Mob made. And yeah, when I see this again, the visuals are alright. The reflection is too transparent, and the character models are fine, but the problem is the animation. Yeah, the models are so bad. Mangles, I don't know. I don't even know that is Mangle. So what I'm gonna so yeah, it doesn't fit into the song unless they will remake Survive the Night. That will be good because this one is the first song that Enchanted Mob made in Blender. So yeah, where I'm gonna put this, meh. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put. Next is Just Gold. This is the second animation, and of course it's an improvement with, yeah, I don't understand this one as well. Yeah, unlike Survive the Night, the characters move, but here the animatronics just stay and just shake. Just move their limbs. But what makes this stand out to Survive the Night is the purple guy. Yeah, the purple guy model is so good. Yeah, I'm gonna admit there's sometimes that this video is way better, so I'll put this in meh as well. Oh dear. The third one. I'm not sure it was here. Oh, they didn't include Die in the Fire. Rude. They didn't. Wow, they didn't put Die in the Fire in this. Such a shame. Die in the Fire is a good. If you didn't know, yeah, check Enchanted Mob, man. It's so good. He's a good animator, or now as an editor. I don't know. So yeah, be a hero. Actually, this one is a huge improvement to both of these animations. This one was released in 2016. Yeah, the animation is still smooth and fast-paced. The story is well written. The characters are alright. The visuals are alright. So I'll put this in okay. So for now, next is the one that made me realize something. Okay, where it is? Where is it? Don't tell me they didn't put this either. Oh, here it is. Below to the surface. So yeah, this one is a huge improvement once again. This time the mouths are finally improved. Steve's character looks shocked, and probably one of the better animations. But still, Baby's mouth didn't move. It's just like a Minecraft skin or something. Yeah, but I gotta admit, it's short, but it's sweet. So I'm gonna put it in okay. Okay. Next one is probably join us for the bite. Yeah, this one is good. In terms of the visuals, it really is good. With a gang had together, Baby, Ballora, Foxy, and Freddy singing. I don't get this. The problem is, unlike Below the Surface had story. This one hasn't. It's just Steve running around into this facility and get jump scared, get kidnapped. Yeah, the story is weak, but I'm still gonna put it in okay. Yeah, I'm a bit biased, but let's be honest. Puppet Song. This one is revolutionary. Once again, Enchanted Mob. What makes this stand out to join us for the bite is probably the eye expression. Yes, this one is the first one that got the eye expression. The story's great. It's epic. Yeah, this one is a sequel to Survive the Night, which is good. It really concludes to their story, and yeah, Springtrap is here. It's good. So yeah, I'm gonna put this in very good. Okay. Bonnie song. This Bonnie mixtape. Sorry. This one is I can't say this is. The first half is good. The second half is just repeating clips. Yeah, the song is alright, but I don't know. It's good. We we see the purple guy again, and probably good. Okay, I'll just put this in below. Be a hero. Okay, hard drive. The Undertale. The very first non 5 Nights at Freddy's Minecraft video. This one is good. I didn't know why they didn't conclude this in the Undertale playlist, but this one is good. The visuals, the fight scene, everything is well written, and probably I like this character, the robot gay. I think. Oh my gosh, I'm sexist, but that's just what I say. This one is surpass or yeah, very good. Now we're going to Do You Even trilogy. Let's start with Do Even himself. This one is so good. Continuous story. The character models are improved. William isn't the villain here. The story is tragic. It's horrific as well. There's also a good visuals here, like the water scene, like the rain, the talking, the smoothness. It's just so smooth. And this is maybe the first animation that Enchanted Mob and Zam collaborated with. So I'll put it in masterpiece. Yeah, I know, masterpiece. You Can't Hide. This one is so good. Yeah. Freddy is so psychotic here. Baby pretending to be his friend. Yeah. The chase scene is so good. The ending is so amazing. Yeah, I'll put it in masterpiece. Trust me. This one is downgraded to both of them. It's a mess to be honest. Like, there's no sense. It doesn't make any sense to transition. But yeah, it's still a good watch to be honest. Like the final part where Baby falling her skin, and the scene where he just took William's limbs one by one and then put William's head on his face and his head. That's just so gruesome. There's also two endings here, so yeah, not as good as this two, but is still a good trilogy, so I'll just put it in very good. Next will be She Fly Again? Yeah, we'll fly again like this. Yeah, it's a Minecraft parody, like its original song parodied by with Coldplay's song. This one is good. It's so creative. It it has its charm. It's yeah, the beginning's so good. The visuals are good. Well, we're back. Sorry, I run out of space. Anyway, yeah, Fly Again is a really good music video. It's a shame it's underrated. It's just underrated. Okay, I'll just put it in okay. It's not good as Be a Hero. Let's be honest, it's not good as Be a Hero. Judgment. Yeah, that's what I say. This one is so good. Genocide. We see Frisk being genocidal here. And yeah, the visuals are good. The fight scene in the end is so amazing. And yeah, the lighting is good. The animation, the characters. Yeah, it's just so flow easily. It's easily one of the better known. Bell Machine. It's a crime not to say this. It's instantly go-to masterpiece. Yeah. Fun fact: this one is had a lot of views on YouTube. So it is probably obviously going to be top. And yeah, I have to admit, it's so entertaining. Like, the story is so good. Like, going to like, the cartoon will interact with you. Going to the real world, like Bendy's just dancing, and Joy Drew became this twisted version of Bendy. It's just so good. It's perfectly sense, but sadly the theory is untrue. Wait. It's safe to say this one is my not my personal favorite, but it's really still good. Okay. Okay, let's go. So we got now there's another series and it's called Disconnected series. So yeah, this is a 6-parter and probably it's not as good as Do You Even trilogy. Okay, let's go to Disconnected. This one is so tragic. The characters are so good. I like the lava scene. The character, the betrayal, the truth. It's just so good. It's just a good introduction of this series. So I'll put it in very good. Next is Down to the Bone. Yeah, wow, this one is good. Oh man, it's just entertaining as Judgment. It's just entertaining, and both Sans and Papyrus are really so fun here. Like, really, it's just entertaining. It's way better than SFM, the SFM version. Sorry for the inconvenience. I know. It's really annoying, to be honest, but yeah. The song is great. It fits to the song. It's so funny, but okay, it's not good as Judgment, but I'll just put it in very good. Yeah. Save Me. This one is hard to watch. This one is hard to watch because it's so dramatic. Like, really, it's dark. This one, put it in masterpiece. Yeah, it's just a dark. It's just too dark for my taste. I'm Flowery. This is different. It's like a stop motion, and animation, but it turns really too intense. It's just off the rails, so I'll just put it in okay here. Or meh. Not really interested. Okay, we got Dance to Forget. This one is good. The visuals. This is where Enchanted Mob and Examinations collaborated again. Yeah, this one is good. I like the song. I like the visuals. I like the twist in the end that, yeah, of course, William killed her own wife. Yeah, this one is so good. It deserves to be in very good here. Next one. Okay. Angel Star. I don't know. Angel. This one is good. I gotta admit, this one is just so good. To be honest, it isn't better than Bendy Builder and Machine that was, but you know what I mean. It's just entertaining to in its own right. It's me. There's a lot of. I wonder why It's Me is so has a lot of variation of animations, but this one is the best variation of all the variations. The visuals. It is a step up to Puppet Song, if you know what I mean. Like they just control. It keeps going. It's probably the best. It's probably the best among the series. Dream. It's really good. Is it is the most underrated, but it's really good. It is so emotional. Just emotional to me. I didn't conclude this one. Higher than Freddy's. Just man, I didn't put these in bad, so I'll just put this one in below very good. It's funny, it's dark, yeah, dark. It's dark, but yeah, the visuals are fine. It's so good. It's just funny and of course terrifying at the end. Break the Cycle. Masterpiece. Yes, I call this one masterpiece. The fight scene from the beginning, the fire, the ending. It's so traumatic. I thought he will live, but he died. Yeah, it's canon. It's really good. This one is the best. Is probably this. You see, this one is a good example of a closure, a conclusion to end a trilogy or series. That's what Trust Me lacks. Yeah, so yeah, this one is the best. I don't know what this one is. Yeah, this one is just good. Okay. Yeah, let's just put it in okay. Okay, don't get me wrong, the visuals are good. The animation is so fast paced. It's fast darn paced. It's so fast paced. I just really enjoy that. Not for my taste though. It's not for my taste to see this as entertaining. It's not good as its predecessor like Build Our Iron Machine or Angel Stage. Okay. Art of Darkness. Definitely good. Yeah, this one is entertaining. It's entertaining. The weird part here is it doesn't conclude Bendy in this chapter, in this one. Only Boris, Alice Angel, The Butcher Gang is here. Seriously though, the Butcher Gang, the Ink Monsters, Ink Searchers, the Lost Ones. I am sorry for the inconvenience. I just have a bad moment. I don't know why. I'm sorry. So freaking. Anyway, yeah, League of Legends. Just shameless ripoff of the original video, so let's go to math. Last but not least, way deeper down. Yeah, that is really good. I like it. I like it so much. And yeah, the visuals, okay. You gotta admit, it's so entertaining. And yeah, this is my tier list. Yeah, this is my third video, and I'm really excited to post this. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.